Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the entire merciful, the special merciful. تبارك الذي نزل الفرقان على عبده ليكون للعالمين نذيرا. Blessed is he who sent down the criterion upon his servant, that he may be to the worlds a warner. الذي له ملك السماوات والأرض ولم يتخذ ولدا ولم يكن له شريك في الملك وخلق كل شيء فقدره تقديرا. He to whom belongs the dominion of the heavens and the earth, and who has not taken a son and has not had a partner in dominion, and has created each thing and determined it with precise determination. واتخذوا من دونه آلهة لا يخلقون شيئا وهم يخلقون ولا يملكون لأنفسهم ضرا ولا نفعا ولا يملكون موتا ولا حياة ولا نشورا. But they have taken besides him gods which create nothing while they are created, and possess not for themselves any harm or benefit, and possess not power to cause death of life or resurrection. وقال الذين كفروا إن هذا إلا إفك افتراه وأعانه عليه قوم آخرون فقد جاءوا ظلما وزورا. And those who disbelieve say, this Quran is not except a falsehood he invented, and another people assisted him in it, but they have committed an injustice and a lie. وقالوا أساطير الأولين اكتتبها فهي تملى عليه بكرة وأصيلا. And they say, legends of the former peoples which he has written down, and they are dictated to him morning and afternoon. قل أنزله الذي يعلم السر في السماوات والأرض إنه كان غفورا رحيما. Say, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it has been revealed by He who knows every secret within the heavens and the earth. Indeed, He is ever forgiving and merciful. Sadaqallahul Azim.